Parating dito yung kamay mo dun sa manual.
238. Okay, init ah.
Okay, it says here. Triceps brachii, as above, under, rabbit. So that simply means you have to read also the rabbit. Rabbit. Yan. So you have to read also the rabbit. Rabbit. So this is now the lateral head. Cut the belly of the lateral head. Lateral head.
Dito, Ethan.
Peram ng forces. Ano to?
Ayan. Ko na si ma'am eh.
Lateral head. Long head. Lateral head, long head, median head. Medial head. Lateral head, long head, medial head. So you cut the belly of the lateral head. Then brachialis. So you are done with this. Yung clavodeltoid, acromideltoid, spinodeltoid. So you want identify the deltoids as brachialis. So it's a part of the upper arm. Brachialis. So this is one of the muscle which are supposed to cut the insertion. So this is, and then lift it. This is now the epitrochlearis. Lift the pecto antebrachialis. So once you lift it, you're going to expose now the biceps brachii. This is the biceps brachii. Epitrochlearis. Saan ba papakita yan?
TV.
Meron yan sa YouTube eh.
Meron sa YouTube. Hi, ma'am.
Meron.
Kayo din.
Oo.
Si ma'am. Hi.
Kamay lang naman nakikita.
Dito ko sa ma'am.
Ayoko.
Maano sa Ellen DeGeneres, no?
Baka mabilanggo ako doon.
Ma-discover si ma'am. Kasalanan.
Okay, so that is the upper arm. There are only very few muscles. So for the forearm, you're supposed to remove the fascia. This is also matigas.
Masayin natin mamamata na palito.
Sigo.
Pawisan na ako. Akin maayos yung init eh.
Sabay ko, patayin mo muna kasi sasayang lang yan. Dahil tinatanggalan pa ng fascia to.